I still don't have like all the food ready and prepared. I have a lot of cookies. I don't know if you guys can see in the background. I've been decorating a lot of cookies to give out to my neighbors, to family, to friends. But right now, guys, I have an unboxing to do all the way from Canada, guys. If you guys know, Canadian hot sauces are so spicy. And this is from Smoke and Tears hot sauce. Like, just the name alone, guys. I mean, the smoke part is amazing, right? But the tears part, like me van a hacer llorar, okay? Oh, goodness gracious. I am expecting some heat with this one. Their stuff looks amazing on Instagram, and I will be linking all their information down in the description box below so that you guys can check them out. Let me go ahead and open this box to see what I got, because it's really, really well packaged, guys. Right, vamos a abrirla. Ooh! Oh, not, oh, so fancy, guys. Comes with a card that gives all the information. Ooh, different hot sauces. How many hot sauces? Ooh, it's like a gift pack. Oh, magnets, guys. I got magnets. Ooh, that is going on my fridge as soon as this video is over. Ooh, my, oh, guys, their card is so pretty. It's so shiny. I love the black and the gold coordination. It's so nice. Oh, glittery. I love everything with sparkles and glitter. Guys, like, oh, goodness. Like, oh my goodness. This is a lot. I probably should have thought this through, guys. We should have done like one hot sauce per video. Está pesado. It's so heavy. Look at this. Look how beautifully packaged this comes. And there is an extra hot sauce on the side. Vamos a abrir esto and see what I am getting myself into. Oh my goodness, like, just look at the gold in it. Like, it's so pretty, guys. Oh, Merry Christmas to me. Oh, thanks a million, guys, for sending me this. And the packaging is beyond beautiful. Like, I don't even, like, guys, I'm gonna take my time because I don't want to mess it up. I want to keep the box. I'm one of those people that, like, I still have packages that they sent like from 2 years ago just because I really, really love the packaging. So I still have it. Oh, okay, vamos a ver si puedo ver. Oh my goodness, there's more. Hold up, guys. Hold up, guys. Let me get my knife so I won't make a mess out of this. And just take off the stickers. Ooh. But see, that's the good thing because, like I said, it comes from Canada and we don't want things to break on the way over here, which it has happened before, guys, which is so sad. But anyways, all right, we all abrimos. Okay, so I'm pretty sure they're in order of what they have. Do they have? Yeah, it has everything on the back. Oh, look at this. Look at this beauty. Oh, the green in there. I'm pretty sure it's a jalapeno hot sauce, guys. This is Smoke and Tears Green Godless. Yeah, smoked jalapeno verde hot sauce. It has distilled vinegar, hickory, smoked jalapeno, onion, sugars, brown sugar, parsley, green onion, cilantro, sea salt, and garlic. That sounds so freaking delicious. All right, so let me put this down and we're gonna start going one by one and see what these are all about. So let me give it a good little shake and let's open this. Like, se me está haciendo agua la boca. I mean, it's a jalapeno one, so I would expect it not to be super spicy. Let me get my spoon, guys. Get your guys' own customized spoons at Pepper Envy LLC. Only $5. Never pay shipping or taxes because I hate shipping and taxes. I can smell the jalapeno right away, guys. Oh, nice consistency. Look at that. Oh, we're just gonna go for a whole spoonful because it's jalapeno, right? It shouldn't be so spicy. Oh, wow. Jalapeno throughout. That's a smoky jalapeno. Definitely taste the smoke in there. The sea salt. Mild hints of cilantro, which, oh, they taste so good. This one, on tacos. Right now I'm making some tamales. This one on tamales, guys, no hombre. Olvídate, they're super, super good. Oh, if this one was this good, imagínate los demás. Oh, I know. Okay, let me get the next one. Ooh, this one's a little darker, guys. When it's darker, it's so intimidating. The color is so intimidating. Oh, it's called Bad Blood Espresso Barbecue Hot Sauce. Ooh. Let me read you guys the ingredients. It has distilled vinegar, hickory smoked habanero, onion, sugars, brown sugar, molasses, tomato, red pepper, cumin, spices, garlic, and sea salt. Oh my goodness. Okay. So obviously I'm expecting this one to be good with like chicken since it has that barbecue-ness in it. Pero vamos a ver qué sabe, ¿verdad? Hold up, guys. I think I'm gonna need my cuchillo for this one. No lo puedo abrir. Es que no tengo uñas because I don't wear any fake nails. Not because I don't like fake nails or anything like that. I do too much that it's virtually impossible to have fake nails when you garden and you bake and you cook so much. You know what I mean? Okay. Vamos a abrirla. Oh my goodness. Like the seasoning in this one, it almost smells like huevito de pollo. Okay. Consistency is a thinner consistency. That smokiness though throughout. The molasses gives it a nice sweetness. It has heat. It definitely has more heat than the jalapeno one. The saltiness, I'm telling you, it is amazing. It is great. I would use this as an adobo. Not really to like barbecue the chicken, but just to eat it, just to like glaze it on top. That would be delicious. Ooh, like on tacos también, it would be great. It's good. Love the heat in it. Let's not be wasteful, guys, porque una gotita goes a long ways. It is really good. This is really bomb. Definitely spicier than the first one. I feel it already starting to kick in. Not up there, but guys, I feel like they're only gonna get spicier. So imagínense, nombre. Woo. Let's go for the other one. Okay, the third one on there. Oh my goodness. Oh, can you guys see that? Look at that. Oh, that looks like it's gonna be bomb. This is the Apiary Ablaze Smoked Canadian Honey Mustard Hot Sauce. What? It almost looks like it would be like an umami for some reason. I don't know why. Let me see qué dice. Ingredients: distilled vinegar, hickory smoked habanero, onion, sugars, brown sugar, Canadian honey, whole grain mustard, garlic, and sea salt. Not just any type of honey, guys. It's Canadian honey. Alright, guys. Vamos a abrirla. Let's see how this one tastes. The flavors in the first two, oh my goodness. Like your mouth still has that flavor and so delicious. Like nomás me quiero saborear la boca, guys. Oh my goodness. The smelling is like so addicting. Like I just want to pour this over everything right now. Consistency, do you guys see that? That nice, beautiful thickness in it. Oh, let's get a nice spoonful. Oh, maybe not. Maybe it's too spicy, pero ya está. Wow, mustard is right there. And it does have like a hint of umami in it. So good. For some reason, I just want to put this one on oysters, seafood, and some fish tacos. Oh, and sandwiches because of the mustardness in it. It is good. And here I go again for another one, ¿verdad? It's just these flavors are delicious. It does have a spice to it. Not extreme, but it is spicy. It is spicy. Definitely up there. The taste of it though. Taste of it. So good. I love how everything's well seasoned. Like, you know, sometimes you get some hot sauces and you're like, okay, well, I need some more garlic. I need some more salt. No, everything has been great with these. Okay, the next one. This is the Spice Sight Seeker Hot Sauce. What does this one have? It has distilled vinegar, hickory, smoked habanero, onion, sugars, brown sugar, red pepper, berberry, garlic, and sea salt. Okay, let's give it a good shake and let's open this one. My mouth is already starting to get spiced out, guys. I'm telling you, hubiéramos hecho nomás una a la vez. These flavors, they're so addicting, and it's not all the same thing. Some hot sauce companies, like, they come up with a whole line of different hot sauces, but it's really the same thing, just with like more peppers or something. No, you can tell they really went into like thinking about these hot sauces, like the ingredients. Like a lot of test trials had to be done making this. Like everything smells different and it's tasting different, and they taste amazing también. Oh wow. This one, it tastes like it would have dry peppers. Something that would go great on like your pozole. Like so many things. Ya se me antojó el pozole just thinking about this one. Like a salsa, you guys know, all my Mexican people out there, you guys know that chile macha that you be making for pozole. This is what it tastes like. Really, really good. Really good. I love the consistency on it. It has some heat, but look at the consistency on it. Like a regular chile for pozole, like everything's not this well blended, and this is very, very nicely blended. So good. So good. This is what I'm gonna be using on New Year's, guys. I'm gonna make some pozole for New Year's. Okay, next one, guys. We have 3 more left. 3 more left. A ver si aguanto. Because I've been tasting a lot of them. And they're only getting hotter, guys. That's the thing. Okay, this is smoke and mirrors. Smoked truffles. Oh, habanero hot sauce. That is so cool. The ingredients has distilled vinegar, hickory smoked habaneros, onion, sugars, brown sugar, carrot, red peppers, sea salt, garlic, and truffle oil. BOMBNESS. I've tasted some hot sauces with truffles in it, and honestly, it does make a difference. They are so good. Okay, vamos a abrirla y vamos a ver a qué huele. Oh, it does have that truffle smell in it, that truffle oil, guys. I need to invest my money and buy some because imagínense trying to cook like stuff in that deliciousness. Guys, vamos a ver. Oh, consistency. This is perfection, guys. Look at that silky smoothness on it. Ay, se me va a tirar, se me va a tirar. Oh my god. Smokiness, the onion, the truffle oil, everything combined. It is so delicious. This is like a versatile sauce. Although, guys, heat's kicking in. It does have heat. I mean, with those habaneros, the peppers. Let me hide my ears before they start getting red. Oh, it's getting spicy, guys, but it's so good. This is an addicting one. Like, I just want some chips with it right now. Put this one on everything from your eggs in the morning to breakfast burritos. This one would be great on anything. So good. I don't even want to stop on this one. Hi. It's hot. It's hot. But it's so good. It is so good. It is that addicting good that you're just going to keep going. Especially if you're eating it with food. But hey, the spoonful like I'm doing, I don't know about that, guys. I don't know about that. It's pretty spicy. Like, I feel like my eyes are going to start watering because of it. But it's that good. Wow. Wow, you guys outdid you guys yourselves with this one. This one is beyond delicious, guys. Definitely recommend this one. So far, they have all been great, but this one, I just want to keep going on it. This video's over. I'm just going to be pouring it on chips. Okay, we got 2 more. My mouth's on fire, guys. My mouth's on fire. Okay, smoked scream, smoked habanero agony hot sauce. I'm telling you guys, they're only getting hotter. Ay, Dios mío santo. Okay, ingredients. It has hickory smoked habanero, pepper, garlic, onion, distilled vinegar, sea salt, and brown sugar. Give it a good little mix, and let's go ahead and open it. I feel like my nose is starting to get runny from how spicy these are getting, guys. I'm telling you guys, that flavor is so delicious. A ver si la puedo abrir. Si no, I have to go get the cuchillo. But it's also a very good thing that they're sealed this great, guys. I almost got it. I almost got it. I don't want to get the cuchillo. I feel like I can do this. You guys have any plans for Christmas, guys? Oh my goodness. I'm telling you guys, I've been baking my little heart out. Woke up super early today to start baking. Ay, no podía abrir. I just can't get over the smells on this. Like, I could just be smelling this all day. Imagínense your kitchen smells like this. Oh, so delicious. My kitchen right now smells like cinnamon and sugar cookies. Oh, I know, it smells bomb in here. It smells like winter festival holiday time. Okay, it's sweeter with a kick. It has a nice sweetness up front. You taste some hints of onion and garlic. And then bam, that heat just kicks in. It's also something that I would definitely put on some eggs in the morning. Definitely wake you up in the morning también with something like this. It's more of a thinner consistency, but the freshness. You taste the freshness in this one. It honestly feels like they just made it and packaged it like yesterday. And you guys know, for it to be coming from Canada, it took a while. And not just that, I've been looking at it, eyeballing it for like a week, trying to do this unboxing, just getting everything shipped. For everybody that's been ordering from Pepper and BOC, thank you guys so much for your guys' support. Whew. Heat level though. Heat level is up there. I cannot imagine the other one's even spicier. Let my mouth calm down, guys. Let it cool down a bit. Woo. Okay, this is the other one. It's like a special one because viene aparte, guys. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is the Smoke and Tears Doomsayer Ghost Pepper Devastation, guys. Ghost peppers. De por sí my mouth is already on fire, like, oh. So let's go ahead and give it a good little shake. And it doesn't have any other ingredients, so I'm assuming it's a new product. Oh, that's so exciting. But with ghost peppers, like, imagínense, the last one I tried, that one was spicy to the point where, like, I got some tingling going on my tongue. My mouth is salivating, like my nose started to feel ready, my eyes are starting to get watery. I cannot imagine this one. Ghost pepper one, guys. You guys know ghost peppers are spicy. I grew some this year, tried to eat a whole one, and ay, Dios mío santo. Yeah, I never tried doing this on an empty stomach, guys. Whew. I'm gonna start making some tamales, so I'm just gonna be eating some right now, so I'll be fine. No cat cramps since I'll be eating so much. Alright guys, let's go ahead. Oh, it smells like fire. And try it. Oh, nice silky smooth consistency. Look at this. I probably shouldn't have done this much, guys. Let's go ahead and try it. Oh wow, beautiful, beautiful burst of flavors in your mouth. And yep, just like a ghost pepper does it, you get to taste and you get to taste all that beautifulness of flavors like bursting all over your mouth. Your taste buds are loving it, and then bam, like my tongue right now, it's like stinging pain from that ghost pepper. And that's the thing about the ghost pepper. The ghost pepper hits towards the end, and that's nice though, because you get to experience all the flavors and be like, oh, you know what, I taste the onion, I taste the garlic, the salt is great, this and that, and then bam, it just hits you to a point where my whole mouth is like on fire right now. Definitely one for pepperheads. I know lots of you guys love your spice. You guys will definitely enjoy this one. It's spicy, it is great. Oh, the flavor is amazing, but it's spicy, guys. It is spicy. Probably not for a noob to try right away, because then we're gonna scare them off, guys, and then they're gonna be trying no hot sauces later on, you know what I mean? But it's good. I really love it. I really love it. Love the smokiness in it. So good. See, that's what I like. I love the taste, and I want to keep getting the taste, but as soon as I start talking more, the taste vanishes in this pure heat. But at first, I'm telling you guys, really delicious, guys. Super bomb hot sauces, all the way from Canada. Definitely go check them out, guys. They are great. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys, Smoke and Tears Hot Sauce, for sending me such a beautiful package for me to open up on Christmas. You guys are beyond amazing. Have a super awesome day. Bye.